Hey everybody, it's Steve Dooley, your local real estate expert with the Lawton team, coming at you today with a home tour of this beautiful property here on the northwest side of Tucson. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, a little bit over 1,600 square foot home. And this is a very sought after neighborhood, very popular here in northwest Tucson. So let's go have a look. Okay, let's take a look inside here. So this property does have nice high ceilings. It is tile throughout. So as we look up here, we can see the entryway. That opens into the kitchen, and we'll come back and hit this on the way back. But for right now, I just want to show you, just to the immediate left, you have the entrance to the garage. It's a nice big finished garage. It's got the epoxy flooring and everything. It's got a new water heater, new AC unit, pretty good garage. And it is a nice open floor plan here. This is kind of the great main living room area. Open it up into the backyard, and then we're gonna turn to the left and check out some of the bedrooms and stuff. Again, all tile. So to right here, you have a laundry room, washer and dryer. Bedroom number 1 could be an office / bedroom. They have it set up as kind of an office. Pretty standard size, about 12 by 12. Can easily fit, you know, twin beds or double beds in there. And as we go down to the right, you have the guest bathroom. And we've got a shower tub over there. And directly across from that, you have bedroom number 2, which is about the same size. This is a pretty common floor plan for this subdivision. Nice well-lit rooms with natural light. It does have a solar tube right up here. So you can see that up there is a solar tube. And then this is going to be bedroom number 3 down at the end of the hall. And you can see it's got a nice big double bed there and there. And it does open up into the master bedroom. So this is kind of nice, especially if you have younger children. For families, you know, they can be, maybe have a baby or a young child, could be right next to the parents. So here's the master bedroom. And I'm gonna poke my head to the right, and this place has a really nice big walk-in closet. There's lots of storage in there, lots of room. And then this opens up into the backyard, which is kind of a desert oasis. Pretty neat. And then the master bathroom rather. Trying to stay out of the shot. That's a closet there. Toilet's over that way. And this does have a walk-in shower in the master. Pretty nice shower. And we're gonna make our way back through this. So that opens up back into the main living room. So it is kind of a big circle. We came around there, and then this master bedroom opens up right into the main living room here. Nice high ceilings again. Let's go check out the kitchen, which is right through here. That's a nice pantry right there. Kind of a galley style kitchen with the bar. And then you do have a dining area, breakfast nook up front there. You can see they got a nice full-size table and chairs there. Gorgeous views out of this room right here. Sitting in here eating breakfast, taking a look at the Catalina Mountains right there through the window. Beautiful. Nice tall archways and these vaulted ceilings. So let's go take a look out back. This is a nice corner lot, so it's one of the biggest lots in this subdivision. All kinds of space. No neighbors on two sides of you. That's the street over there, and then common area. I got a nice fountain. Really nice fireplace over here. When it's cooler out, it's definitely cool to hang out here in the wintertime and enjoy the fire. One of my favorite things to do in the winter in Tucson. And plenty of room for kids and everything back here. Really nice yard. And this will bring us back inside. And back out to the front we go. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already done so, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to see more great videos in this series. Also, be sure to head over to stevedooley.com right now. You can learn more about Steve, and you'll have the opportunity to schedule a one-on-one call so we can answer all of your real estate questions. So be sure to head over to stevedooley.com right now. I put a link in the comments below. You can just click it right below, whether you're on your phone or on the desktop. Super easy, and go check it out and schedule your call with us today. Thanks for watching.